What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still searching for steals and deals. Nike outlets closed today. We're gonna check out some other stores. Let's go see what's up. Burbank Town Center. Actually, I think they have a Burlington here. Let's go. All right, I did just see them open this up. All right, let's go. Let's go. Wait, there's a separate section. Men's active. Maybe there's something. Maybe there's something. What is this? Ooh, what the hell? What the hell? Mitchell & Ness Authentic? What? What size is this? This is huge. God dang it. That doesn't do me no good. Does not do me no good. What size? I can't even tell what size it is. XL. XL for $30. This is pretty fire. That's pretty fire. It's an authentic too. Oh my god. I might get this. I might do, you know what? I might have a few things coming up. I'm gonna grab this for something. Lakers small t-shirt going for $10. That's pretty much about it. Got a low-end jersey. Herbert jersey, size medium. I don't even know what brand this is. Dang, I just thought Nike made stuff, but I guess they have other brands that do. $30 for this one. Okay, that's actually not bad. So looking around some more, did find this jersey, kind of a lower end jersey. It's not a Nike, it's not a Mitchell & Ness. I don't know what brand it is, but $30. Just says Team Apparel. Not bad though. They got these budget Portland, I don't know, tank tops going for $15. It's like U brand or something. Lower end Brazil jersey. This is a large going for $8. Lower end Mexico jersey going for $6. All right, now checking out the shorts. Not really finding much. And by not really finding much, I mean nothing. Zero. Not a zilch. Dang. So far, this is the find, an authentic Mitchell & Ness warm-up jersey, warm-up shirt. Yeah, this is fire, dude. This is fire. I'm gonna do this something with the channel. This gonna have to do something with the channel. But yeah, we'll look around some more. All right, pretty good selection, pretty big selection of shoes. This is men's right here, and the women's over there. And look at how long the rows go. This is promising. We'll see. I'm in the size 11. Do got some Grant Hills. These are size 7 though. And I'm seeing Grant Hills that I've never even seen before. Never seen these $35. Size 11.5. Then a USA colorway. Different colors. These are definitely interesting. These are 35 as well. Yeah, it's a size 14 though. Infinity Tour Next Percent's going for $30. This is a size 10. Some golf cleats. Seen a ton of these Chucks going for $35. Got some Puma RSX. Price not listed. Usually on the bottom of these discount stores, they usually write it on the bottom, but I don't see anything on this one. Reebok Classics going for $30. These are all size 10s. Moved up to the size 11s. Found this 9.5 Jamal Mashburn. We've seen those in all kinds of crazy colorways. $20. More of these Grant Hills coming in wild colorways. $35 for these. Got some cleats, baseball cleats. $20 for these. Got an alarm going off around me somewhere. More of these Grant Hills go for $35. A new colorway I've never seen. What the hell? What the hell? Okay. These are going for $35 as well. More of these Mashburns go for $20. Fila just dumping everything to the clearance stores. God dang. Another colorway we haven't seen before. Got some Witnesses. What are these? Witness 3s? Size 13. Going for $40. Dude got a restock. I don't see her bringing anything fire though. Seeing some Vans right here going for $45. The Vans boots, these are pretty fire if you wear the Vans. Puma RSX going for $40. It's at 8.5. Got that Thunder. What is it? The the Thunderbirds, Thundercats. We got that Thundercats look to it. In the smaller sizes, finding bigger sneakers though. Look, New York Knicks looking colorway. $35 for these bad boys. $33 for these. 11.5. Got a size 12 right there as well. And then got these skate lows. These skate lows right here. Don't know the price. These are usually like 30 bucks. That alarm's been going on for like 5-10 minutes. Oh, I thought that was a Nike swoosh right there, bro. This is a Columbia, 25 bucks. That's right, I thought that was a Nike swoosh. I was like, what? Columbia did a collab with Nike? What? All right, we're still in the men's section. I think this is size 12, 12.5, or something like that. Yeah, you got some Reebok Solutions with a really nice, yeah, that patent leather does not look nice at all. I guess that looks so cheap. We got $35 for these. It's a hell of a price. More Reeboks right here going for $35. Vans Lowlands. We've seen these several times. They're around $30. I did grab these bad boys. I got them for $30. The MSRP is $100 on these. I just saw them on the Mitchell & Ness website as well as a few other websites. But like I said, we're gonna do something. I don't know if it's gonna be a giveaway or if I'm gonna give it to somebody. Well, we're gonna do something with these. There's a Ross right across the street. Let's go. Let's go. I saw that up that Shoe Palace too. And there's a Gap Factory outlet too. For those of you guys that don't know, there's a Gap Factory store right there. All right, so did go through all the clothes. Just nothing, yo. Young people's tops. Just what the hell is this? What is that? That's it, yo. And then now checking out the Active shorts. Sort of heat shorts right there, but yeah, kind of like a lower brand. Some Adidas shorts. Not really seeing anything too promising. All right, that was Active shorts right there. Oh shit, Active tops are right here, I guess. I was looking up all those other aisles for nothing. Nike swim shirt going for $17, that is. That's a small, yep. We're seeing a lot of Guadalajara stuff. We got a jacket, Puma dry cell jacket. These, I bet you these go for like 90 bucks normally. That's what we've been finding with a lot of stuff. Oh, I was way off. Normally 80 down to 30 for that. That is, I think it's a medium right here. Adidas hoodie. This looks pretty dope. Normally 70 down to 25. That's a medium. I think that's my high school colors. Yeah, that's the Fairfax high school colors right there. But they're Nike school. They don't do Adidas. Do got a low-end Rogers jersey going for 25. Italia jersey right here. Puma jersey. I don't know what this. Normally 140. This is normally 140. Down to $30. Michigan Jordan jersey, 25 bucks. These are large. Normally, what? How much was it? Normally 75. Yeah, 75 down to 25. They got a couple of larges right here. Okay. Moving over to the sneakers, starting with the huge sizes. Big Feet Gang sizes right here. Size 17. Kyrie. Are these the Infinities or are these the one that came out after? The Kyrie 8s or 9s, whatever the hell they're called. Or these are the Kyrie Low 5s. I think these are the Kyrie Low 5s. These are down to $40. Clearanced out. Size 16 right there. Another size 16. Got some soccer cleats. These are alphas. These are size 14 right here, down to $20. Got some Flytrap 6s, size 13. Size 13 down to 50. Dang, that's still high. Another Kyrie right here, down to 55. And of course, the alarm started going off, size 12. Top 10s right here. $45 for these. Dang, the prices are a little high, man. More of these Flytraps going for 55. Size 11.5. Damn, I was like, are these some Dornbeckers? No, they're not. Are these the running shoes? Or are they for just training shoes? $46. These are the Phantoms, the Under Armours. These are what, size 11.5. Going for $47. Kyrie 5 lows, $55. This is a size 10 right here. Got some more Kyrie Infinities right here, size 10.5, down to $55. These are Candace Parkers. I believe these are the Candace Parkers. These are only a size 7.5 though. It's just regular, I don't know. Got some Adidas here. These are going for $30. Dude got some Adidas right here. I think these are the D Rose. I think like the Son of Chi or something. Forgot what these are called. But yeah, $25 for those. More Kyrie Lows right here. Size 8 going for $55. Kyrie Infinities. Team Bank colorway. 7.5. These bad boys still going for $60, damn. Ton of Kyries here. Seeing a ton of them. They're priced way too high though. They're gonna sit for a while. $55 for those. Those Chucks are going for $24. Seen a bunch of those lately. More Kyrie Infinity Team Banks. $60 for these bad boys. All right, ton of Kyries. That's pretty cool. All right, let's go back to that mall. Yep. This is called Han Korean Barbecue House. I've never been there. $15 for lunch. That's cheap. That's cheap. I know their dinner's probably way more. And then, of course, got the only legit sneaker shop in this mall. Got a Shoe Palace. All right, let's go check it out. All right, definitely a fan of that because I don't have to go chase after all the shoes that are on sale. Got some interesting stuff. I want to say this is a women's or grade school, but dude got these. The Cortez, it's the Forrest Gump colorway, the one where he's running around in the movie. Dude got some suedes. Look at this one, $30. That's my size. Normally I would buy stuff like this, but I just got way too much stuff. $30, that's a hell of a deal. Got the Blazer Low Jumbos, going for $80. This is kind of an interesting color right here. Air Max 97 down to $90, I think. I want to say, is that a women's? That looks small. It's a 5.5, and then I got a couple other women's 97s right there. Those are both $100. Then here's the Jordan Wall right here. This is one of the slower moving Shoe Palaces, so they're gonna have a lot of stuff. Yeah, I haven't seen these in a while, dude. The Laney ones. This is a women's release, size 11 women's. Got the Craft 5s right here. These are what, 210? Yeah, 210 for these bad boys. Toro Bravo 6s, $200 for these. They look alright. They look cool. Lucky Green Jordan 1. These bad boys go for $180. Then got lows, $110. Mids, what, $125? $125. More lows right here, more mids. Then you got, people call these the Panda mids? I hope not. I don't know. Black and white mids go for $125. Got the lows. These look pretty fire. And then dude got the Lucky Green 3s as well. This is a women's size. Size 11. Okay. But yeah, these are fire, dude. Those look dope. And then still got the Jordan 4 Hydros. This is the, was it the Thunder colorway right here. $65 for these. They got little gel insert type of things in them, and yeah, they're pretty comfy. They're pretty comfy. Not the most cushiony slide ever, but they're really comfy, and they look fire as hell. They look exactly like the Jordan 4 Thunders. And then the 11 Low IEs. These have been on sale for a cool minute now. $150, not bad. Of course, gotta see what they got on sale. Thick shirt going for $10. Jaws apparel. Like, I don't really understand all the TV and stuff apparel that they make. This Maison article, like, these sweats are pretty freaking dope. Or not sweats, they're fleece shorts. $15, really good price. Material's really soft. This is like a cargo one with pockets, but the bottom, the opening's a little thin, isn't it? I don't know. I don't know. Like this one is a little thicker on the bottom. Yeah, $15, that's hella cheap. Those shorts are pretty cool because you can wear that with any brand. Like, I'm not into wearing Adidas shorts and Nike sneakers and stuff like that, so pretty fire. People calling this the Mocha colorway. It's kind of interesting. I've never seen this color going for $130. Must have been out for a while because I've never seen that one. Because I think all the Air Max 90s up to 140 retail now, right? I don't know. Got the Air Max 270s going down. And this doesn't look that bad right here, but then you look at the other side and it's like, no, I'm good. Why does this have the white on the outside and then this one doesn't? Like, I don't know. But these are down to $100, not bad. Air Max 95s right here, $130, so a little sale right there. LeBron 9s on sale for $100. Pretty much outlet prices. The Zoom Freak 3s, these are the Zoom Freak 4s, my bad. $70 for those. And look at that, $100 for those Air Max 270s as well. And then this is the one we just saw this at Burlington. But yeah, they're on sale here too. $70. $70 for Kyrie's right here. Okay. Continue to be on sale everywhere. And then these with the Air Flight 95s. $100 for those. All right, I do know that everybody's been having these damn sales tables lately, but I haven't found too much heat. But this spot, not too bad. 7.5 women's, go for $80, so pretty much 50% off for those. Air Force One platforms go for $60, 8.5 and 9s. Yeah, and then nothing too interesting. Some Huaraches down to what, $100. That's not even that great of a sale. So the women's section, they do got the Lucky Green 3s as well as the ladies right there. And then they got these, look, Jordan 1 mid elevates. They're making more of these. Like, I know the elevates really aren't selling. What the hell? Like, why do they keep making more? Why? $145 if you want to be taller, I guess. Okay. Oh, and then they did get the Cortez. Did this come out of women's and men's? So I saw one in the men's section, and that wasn't men's because that was my size. So I don't know. The women's section, look at this. Air Max 90s going for $50. Pretty much free, almost free. $80 for these Air Max 97s. $100 for these. We saw that on the sales table. Why wouldn't they have that one on the sales table? That is my size. That's the size 12 women's, 10.5 men's. I'm checking out the kids section. Air Max 90s down to $70. Huarache 60, 70 for a couple of different, or a few different Air Max 90s. And then do got the Heelys. The Heelys, they have a collab with SpongeBob. Do kids still even watch SpongeBob? I wasn't even aware that kids still watch that. I don't know, but yeah, after that Kyrie collab, everybody wants to do a collab with them now. All right, that's pretty much about it. That's this entire mall, and even a little bit outside the mall. I think we're gonna wrap things up. These Crocs are on sale for $30. They're normally what, $50? Heskicks did a comparison of the midsoles of how comfortable all the slides are. That was a great video. He said these are comfy as hell. I don't know. I don't really wear Crocs. But all right, let's wrap it up. We're done.